We are very glad to today be here together and announce that we'll have a deep partnership in building this. So I guess we have a MOU that we would like to share. We had a product launch called Kivi, which is about interacting through voice. We think a lot about interaction between devices and humans and how it can be done more effectively, but also more locally and also in your languages. Any thoughts on that?
Yeah, look, I played with it a little bit today, and it was really exciting to see, and the accuracy is amazing. I think we're all going to need people who are maniacally focused on the way people work, live, and play. Because what happens with technology is people get so excited about the capability they build in technology that sometimes they forget what the actual use cases are, and that happens whoever you're sitting with when you're looking at great products or services that are being built. And so I think being able to deliver something like Kiwi is amazing. What you're going to need to do is make sure that in the ecosystem, you've really identified people who understand the household, who understand the individual, and who understand the enterprise in a deep and meaningful way. Because everything is going to resort to what creates outcomes. And if that is true in other parts of the world, it is 100 times more true in a market like India.
No, that's exactly the context, right? Because we are builders of technology, but it requires two to tango. It requires us to understand the domain. So we are very glad to today be here together and announce that we'll have a deep partnership in building this. We both seem to enjoy. Thank you. We are both deeply passionate about India doing well and moving towards this post-AI world very confidently forward. So I guess we have a MOU that we would like to share. And thank you again, Ipshita and the entire team. We look forward to working very closely and working to ensure that the scale at which you distribute in the country also can have the benefit of some of the models that we build. Thank you very much.